The Beefy 5-layer burrito. This staple of the value menu combines seasoned beef, beans, sour cream, cheese, and nacho cheese sauce, all wrapped within 2 flour tortillas separated by a layer of melted cheese. It was originally introduced as a limited-time promotion in the late 2000s, but became so popular for its density and low price point that it earned a permanent spot. In the context of the Luxe menu, it serves as the heavy hitter, providing the most calories and physical weight to the meal deal.
The double-stacked taco. This item features a crunchy corn shell filled with seasoned beef, lettuce, and cheese, which is then wrapped in a soft flour tortilla using a layer of nacho cheese sauce as the adhesive. It first appeared during various seasonal promotions where the chain experimented with different sauces like habanero or Cool Ranch, but the version included here focuses on the classic nacho cheese profile. The appeal lies in the contrast between the crunch of the inner shell and the chewiness of the outer tortilla, solving the common problem of hard tacos breaking apart too easily.
The potato soft taco. A vegetarian-friendly option that has seen a massive resurgence in popularity, this taco replaces meat with crispy, seasoned potato cubes topped with shredded lettuce, cheddar cheese, and a slightly spicy chipotle sauce. For a long time, these potatoes were actually removed from the national menu, leading to a significant outcry from the fan base, until they were reinstated a few years ago. In this menu set, it functions as a lighter, flavorful alternative that leans on texture rather than traditional proteins. The Nacho Fries. These are standard-cut French fries coated in a bold Mexican-style seasoning and served with a side of warm nacho cheese sauce for dipping. Unlike most fast food chains that offer fries year-round, these are famous for being a recurring, limited-time offering that generates significant hype every time they return to the kitchen. They represent the brand's successful attempt to compete in the side dish category while maintaining a flavor profile that feels distinct from traditional American burger joints. The cheesy roll-up. This is perhaps the simplest item on the menu, consisting of a flour tortilla filled with a 3-cheese blend that is melted and then rolled into a tight tube. It is a direct descendant of the traditional quesadilla, but designed for portability and quick snacking, often serving as a kid-friendly option or a quick palate cleanser between spicier items. While it lacks complex proteins, its inclusion in the Luxe set adds a reliable, gooey texture that complements the crunchier components of the box.